tuk tuk tung wing.
The pirates are out to get you. Don't let them brand you with their mark. Piracy funds organised crime and will destroy our film and video industry. Piracy costs jobs and will destroy our music and publishing industry. Piracy funds terrorism and will destroy our development and your future enjoyment. Don't touch the hot stuff. Call this copyright. Copyright is a matter of fact.
If you have any knowledge of the manufacture or sale of counterfeit film and video product or related software, please call our UK hotline on 020 8568 6646 or in the Republic of Ireland 01 882 8565. In Australia, you should call the Australasian Film and Video Security Office on 1800 251 996, or for New Zealand, the New Zealand Film and Video Security Office on 0800 275 002. Your support will help end the distribution of poor quality product.
Don't let the pirates burn a hole in your pocket.